Hi, what's up and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the Good Dollar website and how to actually earn free crypto on the Good Dollar website. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to register, how to claim, how to withdraw, and how to actually withdraw directly to your local bank account. So I want you to pay full attention to every single thing I discuss in this video, and I do not want you to miss a second. Click on the second link in the description box and it's going to take you directly to this page. So now on this page, what you want to do is you want to create an account. Wait for this to load up, then tap on get started. Immediately you tap on get started, I want you to tap on continue with Google and you're going to select your Google account. After that, it's going to bring you this page where they actually prepare your wallet. Now you'll be required to put in your full name and tap on next. Now you have to wait for this to be complete and it's going to take you directly to your Good wallet. So now on your Good wallet, you will have something like this as a new user. Tap on claim on the screen, then tap on claim now. So the only type of verification available for you to do is your face verification. Tap on OK and tap on verify, then allow access to your camera, and once you complete this face verification, it is going to take you back to your dashboard, and by now you should be given 500 good dollar absolutely for free. That is for your registration bonus. So now we have to wait for this to be complete, and once it is done on your dashboard, you'll be given 500 good dollar coin, which you can actually withdraw, which I will explain later in this video. And I want you to pay full attention to every single thing I discuss. Okay, now we are almost done. Just tap on got it, and normally you're going to get something like this. We have to wait for a few seconds and it's going to show yes, your money it's on its way. If you do not get verified the first time, what you have to do is to verify again. If you do not get verified the first time, it is just going to give you, let's say, 20 something good dollar coin. But now, yeah, that is for the first one, and now it is going to claim our invite reward. This invite reward is the 500 good dollar coin. So now once your verification is complete, you're definitely going to get something like this. You have 520 something on your balance, but I want you to understand that this doesn't amount to so much. Let me tell you how to earn more. Tap on claim and make sure you claim here twice every day. Check your time. Once it's up, tap on claim and it's going to give you more. And the good thing is you can get 1000 good dollar coin for every person you invite. This is actually the best way to earn. Just tap on reward on the screen, then tap on share, copy your link from here, and for every single person who signs up with your link and verify their account, you're going to get 1000 good dollar coin. Now moving on to how to withdraw. To withdraw, I want you to pay full attention here. Go to your Google Play Store or your Apple Store and install the BitKeep app if you do not have it before on your device. BitKeep crypto wallet app. Now this is the app on our Google Play Store. Now once you have the app installed, create an account and this is what you should get, your wallet. Now I want you to tap on this my wallet, then tap on add a wallet. Now you are going to tap on software and verify your fingerprint or your passcode. Now go back to your Good Dollar site, tap on the options at the top right, tap on export wallet and tap on copy key. You're going to copy this key, tap on I understand. Now go back to your BitKeep, paste in the key here and tap on confirm. Now in the search bar, you're going to type in Silo. You're using the Silo network to withdraw. Now this is what you should get, and in few seconds you should get this. Now I want you to understand that we need some Selo, but let's ignore that for now. To withdraw, all you have to do is now to actually tap on, let's ignore all this for now. Tap on this the app. You're going to tap on the app. Let me refresh this. Tap on the app, then in the search bar you're going to put in this link. The link is under the description and in the comment section as well, and tap on search. Now you're going to select Silo. Make sure you select Silo, then tap on select. Now tap on enter and we're going to wait for this to load up as well. This should take few seconds, and once we are done with this, the next thing you want to do is tap on this connect at the top of the screen, select MetaMask, and now we have to continue. Tap on this button to interchange, tap on select token. You're going to paste in this code. It's in the description and in the comment section as well. It is very important. It is actually the wallet address for the Silo network. So you're going to paste it in and you're going to select this $GOODDOLLAR. It is very, very important. Now it is going to import your $GOODDOLLAR balance. As you can see, this is my balance. Tap on maximum. Then it's going to show you how much you will receive in dollar and in Silo. So now for the 14,000 $GOODDOLLAR, I'm going to receive 2.33. Tap on swap, confirm swap. Then this is actually the Silo they are going to exchange for. Confirm swap. I want you to pay full attention here. This is what I want you to know. Just confirm your verification if you use your fingerprint or your passcode. Tap on confirm, and as you can see, this is failed. So you need some Silo for gas fee. This is what I want you to understand. Now to deposit, go back to your home page. Tap on this Silo network. Immediately tap on it. Tap on receive. Copy this address and go to either your Trust Wallet. If you use Binance, go to your Binance. I'm going to use Trust Wallet. I have some Silo there. Then tap on send. You need at least 0.02 Silo to complete your swap. So I'm going to send 0.1 and tap on continue. So now I'm going to just tap on confirm and I'm going to verify, and in few minutes or seconds it is going to appear on my BitKeep account. All I need to do is just to wait for the transaction to be complete. And now I'm on my BitKeep waiting for it to arrive. Okay, now I've received it, and what I'm going to do is to go back to the verification page. I do not need to show that anymore. I just need to skip this process back to where we actually started. So now on this page, you're just going to verify, tap on confirm, verify your fingerprint, and now it shouldn't show failed anymore. Now it should be showing complete. Let's wait for this to actually load up. It takes about few seconds, and once this should show complete now and not failed anymore. I want you to understand every single thing I explain. Okay, now we are done. Let's go back to our home, and now I'm just going to refresh and it is going to add up. Okay, now I've received it successfully. I want you to go back to your $GOODDOLLAR account and check. Now you should have 0. Refresh this. It should have been deducted from your Good wallet. You actually swapped from your Good wallet to your BitKeep, and the next thing is to take it from your BitKeep. As you can see, this is 0, so it has to appear here as well, showing minus 14,000. So basically this is it. We successfully swapped it. Now head over to your BitKeep again, and this is how to withdraw. If you use Binance, tap on deposit crypto. Now search for the Silo network based on the app you use to sell your crypto or where you want to withdraw it to. Select the Silo. It has only the Silo network. Tap on it. Tap on your address to copy. So now once you copy, go back to your BitKeep. Tap on it. Tap on the Silo network. I want to refresh this. Then tap on send. So once you tap on send, paste in the address here and tap on all. Or you can just type it in. Okay, let me say 16. I have 16.05. Let me send 16. Then this is the fee they will charge, and I just have to tap on confirm. Now once I tap on confirm, it is going to actually confirm the transaction. I need to verify my security, and once I'm done with that, from this page, tap on confirm and verify. So now once that is done, it is going to be sent in about few seconds. Let me say about 2 minutes. It is going to appear directly on my Binance account, but presently the transaction is still undergoing. But in about a few minutes, I'm going to receive it on my Binance account. and from my Binance account I can withdraw directly to my bank account. So basically that is all you need to know about this, from how to register to how to claim to how to refer to how to withdraw directly to your bank account. If you have any question, I will want to know in the comment section. And I want to say a big thank you for watching this video. And lastly, updates like this take a very long time to reach my YouTube channel, but I post them immediately I receive them on my WhatsApp group. So you might want to consider clicking on the link in the description to join me on WhatsApp and let's make money together. I want to say a big thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.